Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the browser you want is installed and up to date, because defaults require an existing app. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Apps or Installed Apps. This saves time. Next, tap the three-dot menu or search for Default Apps, because some Android skins hide that entry. Make sure you have Device Unlock ready. You may need it to change system defaults. This quick setup gets you to the exact control panel to change your main browser. Now select Default Apps, then tap Browser App to view all candidates. You'll see browsers installed on the device. Tap the one you want and confirm. Android will immediately route web links to that app. If your preferred browser isn't listed, once done, uninstall and reinstall, or clear its cache and reopen settings so Android reindexes it. Also make sure the browser has necessary permissions. If it lacks web link handling permission, grant it so links open reliably in the new default. Finish by testing. Tap a web link in Mail or a message to confirm the chosen browser opens. If the old browser still opens, go to that app settings and clear defaults, then try a link again. That forces Android to ask which browser to use. If problems persist, reinstall your preferred browser or clear its storage so Android can re-register it. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after changing defaults if links still route incorrectly, because some systems cache choices until restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.